Okay, students, here at the page number 7, uh, exercise 1, the Dorothy Meet the Scarecrow, Oxford Modern English, grade 3. Try to find these words in the story. This keeps an area closed off or protected, usually made of wood. So, this is, I guess, the fence. This fence. Okay, FENSE. Something worn on the head to keep one warm or keep the sun off. Very easy. Hat. A thin piece of meat with a sharp point at one end and on a head at the other. A thin piece of metal with a sharp point at one end and a round header at the others. This is pen. A container used for holding things, often made of interwoven strips of wire or cane. This is basket. These rodents looks like mice with long tails and pointed snouts. These are mice. The organ of the body in the skull, it controls the movement of sensations and thoughts. Brain. Learning about language, page number 8. In the book 2, you learned about noun, adjective, verb. Do you remember? A noun is the name of something. What is noun? A noun is the name of something. So, example, the girl sat on a fence. The underlined word in the sentence, the girl and fence, they are noun. Write the sentences in your notebook in the correct order. This is actually a story. You will read all the sentences. Number 1. The man took a note out of his pocket and gave it to him. The taxi went off down the road. A taxi arrived. The man got in. He was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. The driver asked him for some money. The bus didn't come. The taxi arrived at the house. So this is the story, a little bit an incident. So you must have to arrange it. Okay, you make the arrangement sentences. Which sentence will become first and which will come after that and which will come after that. After arranging on the rough register or after giving number, you should send me shorts and I will make it correct, and you, all the students, will write on your neat notes. Listening and speaking. In the story, Dorothy says, "You didn't just speak, did you?" She makes a question by adding a question tag to a statement. "We have not got anything to lose, have we?" "It's not yours, is it?" Work in the pair to complete the following matching statement with the correct question tags. Here are some incomplete statements and there are some question tags. They have met you before. What will be the answer? The answer will be, haven't they? Let us see whether he is in. The first, they have met you before, haven't they? Let us see whether he is in. shall we, aren't they, will you, aren't you, don't you, haven't they, shall we. Shall we. The second one is shall we. You are in the team, aren't you? They are very bright, aren't they? Okay, aren't they? It has been stolen, hasn't it? Don't tell anyone. Don't you? I think this is a good idea. Hasn't it? What do Dorothy and Scarecrow say to the great ouse when they met him? Talk about how they could ask them politely for what they want. Then write a short conversation. So this is the descriptive writing, the most important part of the chapter. You must have to write about this conversation a little bit. Whatever you think, you should write it on your note. Thank you so much for listening, and inshallah hope you will be understanding the chapter clearly. So in this chapter, the comprehension A, there were the three types of the question. Answer the question 1, answer the question 2, and true false. The video 1 I have shown. Working with words, arrange the jumble letters, find out the wrong spellings, guess the letters. You will have to guess the which words, and all the words are given in the story. Nouns, arrange the paragraph, arrange the incident in the correct order, then underline the noun. On your notebook, listening and speaking, you will have to make the questions. Composition, you will have to create your own conversation which was held between the Dorothy and Oz and the man of straw, the Scarecrow. Thank you so much for listening.